10 years, 9 coaches, countless heartbreaks. Kaiser Chiefs had forgotten what victory felt like. The fans had lost hope until one man arrived, Nasreddin Nabi. Coming all the way from Tunisia, Nabi stepped into South Africa with a mission to bring glory back to the mighty Amakosi. He changed everything. The mindset, the energy, the spirit. Suddenly Kaiser Chiefs looked alive again. And then the impossible happened. Kaiser Chiefs won the Nedbank Cup. The stadium shook with joy. Fans cried, players celebrated. After 10 long years, the curse was broken. For the first time in a decade, smiles returned to Natarina. Hope was reborn. But as every story has its ending, so does Nabi's journey. He now parts ways with Kaiser Chiefs, leaving behind a legacy of belief, pride, and passion. Nasreddin Nabi will forever be remembered as the man who brought the smiles back to Kaiser Chiefs.
Now they can't believe